USB rechargeable numeric keypad. One, this thing is worth its weight in gold, heaven sent. Especially when you have a laptop PC that does not have a number pad on it, and they're starting to not make those a lot, which this comes in handy, even though I wish they continue to make them. When you work in a finance or accounting role, you don't have time to look at the top row of numbers. And you gotta press shift to get a number, and you don't have time for that. This is how it looks. USB-C cable. This is how flat it is. You have the off and on. The manual here. This is Bluetooth. Look at that. This is phenomenal. I'm telling you, if you work in the finance sector or you work with numbers, this is a must-have if you don't have a keypad with numbers on it. You know what would have been heaven sent for this? If there was like some kind of carrying pouch or some kind of pouch you have. But look at that. Look at that. I'm thoroughly impressed. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.